In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a calorie tracker in Notion. This simple guide will help you create a useful tool to manage your diet and keep track of your daily caloric intake. So, let's jump right in. To start, make sure you are connected to your Notion workspace. If you're not already familiar, Notion is a versatile platform for managing tasks, projects, and even personal objectives like calorie tracking. Open your web browser and navigate to Notion's main page to get ready. Now, if you haven't logged into Notion yet, go ahead and click on the Login button found at the top right corner of the home page. This will prompt you to enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll be directed to your Notion home. From there, let's move on to setting up your calorie tracker. In the search bar located at the top of your Notion home, type in Calorie Tracker. This will help you locate any relevant templates available that Notion provides or ones that your workspace may have set aside for easy setup. Once you find a suitable template for a calorie tracker, select it. This template is a great starting point as it includes a structured table where you can input daily entries, such as the type of food, quantity, and the number of calories. It's designed to make tracking dietary information straightforward and organized. After selecting the template, the next step is to click on the Add button. By doing this, you'll be integrating the template into your workspace, providing you access to customize it as needed. As you add this template, think about how you want to tailor it to suit your specific needs. Consider how you might want to categorize or visualize your data, such as adding columns for macronutrients or meal times if it helps you to stay organized. One of the great things about Notion is its flexibility. You can rearrange columns, add properties, or even automate calculations to get an overview of your daily or weekly intake. Play around with the settings until your calorie tracker feels just right for you. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way of keeping track of your calories using Notion. Integrating new tools into your daily routines can be an adjustment, but by following these steps, you're well on your way to better managing your dietary goals. Remember, staying consistent is key, so try to update your tracker daily to maintain accurate records. Thanks for tuning in to this walkthrough. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on making your everyday tasks easier with Notion and other productivity tools. Keep tracking those calories, and I'll see you next time.